Time to go on the docket now with attorney Patrick Dolan as he breaks down all your news headlines, the legal ones that is. Today we're talking about the former Xavier College Prep High School students who are being charged in connection with the rape of a Vanderbilt University student. Good morning, John.
Good morning, Thalia.
This is a hot topic, especially because two of the young men are local.
Right, and what has happened is on last Friday, a grand jury indicted two of the young fellows and maybe a third here, but they're here now. And so how the process works is once an indictment comes from another state, you have to go to court, and today one of the young men is going to court to determine what they call an ID hearing. Is this the person that was actually indicted? Once they determine that, then there's a 30-day window in which the extraditing state can come and take the person back and force them to face charges. And there are some appellate rights that are attached to this. So that's really the litigation that's going on right now. But eventually they're going to go back to Vanderbilt. Okay. The charges are really more what we would call an accessory after the fact kind of charge. That is that they destroyed text messages from one of the other young men or didn't preserve evidence. So it's not as serious as actually participating in the alleged rape, but it's still serious.
Right. So an extradition hearing is based on the fact that they're from a different state.
Right. So there's an indictment from Tennessee now, and the Tennessee authorities have said, we want you to go arrest this person that's in your jurisdiction, and we want you to bring him to court and make sure that it's the person we indicted. And once you've done that, we want to come out and get them and bring them back to Tennessee. So that's sort of how extradition works.
Got it. Thanks for breaking that down.
Sure.
Let's move on now to the mother of that autistic boy who got that hate-filled letter because her son liked to jump around on this trampoline and occasionally made some noises. But is there anything that they could do? I mean, there were basically threats in that letter. I don't know if you saw it.
I saw the letter, and when somebody says something that's rotten and awful and nasty and insensitive, there's not much you can do about it because the First Amendment even protects that kind of speech and writing. If they couple nasty comments with threats themselves that are believed to be imminent, like, I'm going to come over and beat you over the head with a baseball bat because I don't like your face, well, then you've got a criminal threat. Okay. If it's just, I think you should go drown yourself because I think you're an awful person, that's not a threat, that's just a nasty comment. So if it leads into the area of threats where there's actually imminent danger, then there can be criminal charges.
Okay, I think maybe it just evoked fear in her, but not a direct threat.
Right, plus it was anonymous, and of course you have to know who to arrest before you can arrest someone.
Exactly. Well, thank you for being here this morning.
Indeed.
Here's the information on our screen if you want to get in touch with Patrick Dolan. He is the man of the desert as far as the legal world is concerned, and we're concerned here at KMIR-6. Thanks for your expertise, as always.
Indeed.
And time right now is 14 past the hour. Still to come on KMIR-6 today. It ain't no lie, baby, bye, bye, bye. Do you know who that is, John?
Justin Bieber?
No, this is NSYNC.
Oh, it's NSYNC, sorry.
Before
the only reason I'm saying that is today in the newspaper they said Justin Bieber may be in trouble because of being in a fight in New York. So sorry, NSYNC.
Do you know who that is?
That's Justin Timberlake, isn't it?
You got it.
Show me some Led Zeppelin.
Stay with us. We'll have more on NSYNC.